I'm Furball, and today I'm going to take a look at this here Pokemon game. It's a Japanese Pocket Monsters, actually. Um, and this game, it works, but, it doesn't hold saves or anything like that. It's got a fun sticker on the back. We're going to open it up with our security driver here. Love Game Boy games because they're only one screw. And slide her open. And we've got our board. Super easy, super quick. I'm going to go ahead and give it a test here with the multimeter. Probably just a dead battery. Yeah, red on the positive, black on the negative. If you can see that, it is 0.02 is what I'm getting, so this battery is dead. So we're going to go ahead and replace that real fast. And it's real quick and easy. I'm going to get my tweezers, and I've got my soldering iron heated up already. And I'm just going to hold on to the tab here. And while I heat up that solder and just give it a lift, let it cool. And I'm going to turn around and do the same. On this one, you got to kind of grab under the battery some. Come here. I'll just grab the whole thing. Heat that up and lift it right off. There's that bad battery. That's no fun. And I'm just going to take my replacement here. Alright. Make sure you align it properly. This is the positive, so that must be positive. A little plus on the board, so we're going to put it in just like so. You want to, well, see if you can line it up pretty good. And then I'm going to heat up the solder and see if we can get it to stick a little bit. Kind of set it down in there some. And then we're going to add a little bit more solder to it. Just to make sure it's got good contact. There we go. Add some more to this side. And that ought to do it. We'll go ahead and give it another test here with the meter. See if that on 20. Give it a test. And we're at 3.3 volts. So that's a very good battery to now save your Pokemon game on. Yeah. And this game does work. The board looks really good, and I'm just going to go ahead and put this back together. Slide it right on up. And there we go. And if you like this kind of stuff, try to do 2 of these videos a week, so like the video, subscribe to the channel, click notifications. You'll know next time I post another one. Until then.